how I designed this layout using the new Figma Grid. Easy peasy.
To a desktop frame, we're going to add a 12 by 6 grid, that is 12 columns and 6 rows. So the first row, we're going to add a header, and this header is going to occupy, that is fill the width of the first row to get that responsive effects that we want. Now the next thing we're going to add is our banner image, which is going to span 2 rows, that's the second and the third row. Now it's also going to fill vertically and horizontally to get that responsive effect. Now the next thing we're going to add is a bento grid. We're going to create a frame and we're going to add a 4 by 4 grid, that is 4 columns and 4 rows. We're going to make sure the padding is set properly, and we're going to add images to this bento grid. And Figma also gives you the capability of styling or reshaping or resizing elements to occupy multiple columns and rows in the grid that you created, which is really cool. Now we're going to also just resize this really quickly, and you see how responsive it is. And we're going to add it back to the main container, that's the main frame, and you see how cool this looks. Now the next thing we're going to add is our call to action. Now Figma released a really cool feature called Figma Draw, which gives you access to graphic design tools like brushes. You can also make text move along the lines of a vector that you created, which is as cool as it gets. So I'm going to just use Figma Draw to draw out something like this on this our call to action, and I'm just going to speed through this. I'd like to use this opportunity to appreciate Figma for the really cool features that were released. Like, they are so cool. Now we're going to set this in an absolute position on our banner section, and we're going to try the layout again, and oh, this looks really good. Look at how responsive it is.
And that's how to design responsive layouts using the new Figma Grid feature. So try it out and let me know your thoughts.